Hey guys, welcome back to the cooking recipe. Tin mackerel rundown. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The recipe are eatable, tastable, delicious. Tin mackerel rundown. You can see presentation and the quality of the recipe. See coconut juice and thing there. Please like and share. You can see the quality of the recipe. Please remember to like and subscribe. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Guys, see, I stir up my thing and think the tomato, pepper, scallion, onion, garlic, sweet pepper, all of the menu and things. So I'm going to add the mackerel and thing to it, guys. Yes, and I'm going to fry it for 5 minutes. Yeah, one more 2 tin mackerel, simple natural recipe. Remember, tin mackerel, rundown Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Guys, you know, I'm start stirring up my pot and thing. So I have some pimento to taste and flavor. It's a recipe are eatable, tastable, delicious. So guys, I'm gonna add my coconut juice. You can see, so we mix it with coconut powder and the coconut juice. So I'm start stirring pot, make it simmer for 10 minutes, guys. Say go down and see quality. Yeah.